Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. If you're an instant noodle lover, you're going to love today's recipe. So I've made a bhel puri out of noodles today. The ingredients list is given below. This turned out really delicious. So you should try this. And if you like more noodle recipes, I'll leave a link below for this video. Do check it out and subscribe to my channel. So to begin with, in a pan I've heated some butter into which I'm going to add crushed noodles. Crush it nicely so that it cooks faster. Now we are going to just saute this and cook it until it's golden brown in color. Make sure the fire is on low flame. So now you can see the noodles have cooked into a golden brown color. Let's remove it from fire. Now in another vessel, I've taken some tomato sauce, added the taste maker to this, and I'm going to mix it nicely until it's well combined. Now into this, I'm going to add chopped tomatoes, onions, capsicum, and some green chillies. I'll also squeeze some lime juice into this. And we'll mix everything together nicely. Now I'm also adding some roasted peanuts to this. You can also add puffed rice or save to make it interesting. Now I'm going to add the noodles which we have fried till golden brown to this mixture, and we are going to coat it nicely. You can also add chaat masala. I'm adding salt. You can add this if necessary. So mix everything together and our simple bhel is ready. You can add some coriander leaf on top for garnish. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.